Right, factorise x cubed minus 5x. Okay, we've got two terms, and what we've got to do with factorise is put into brackets. The first thing I would check is there any common factors here? Any common factors? And of course, a letter is common, isn't it? X is in both, so we take x out. X out. I think x is all we can take out, right? Because x goes into x cubed and x goes into x. Any numbers? No, we've got 1 here and 5 there, so we take 1 out, wouldn't we? But I'm not going to write that. So, bracket. What do I times by x to get x cubed? Well, that will be x squared, okay? Because that would make x cubed when you times them. And then what do I times x to get minus 5x? Well, all you need is a minus 5, okay? Because that will give me minus 5x. What I'd often do then is just check. It's only worth 1 mark, right? So we've done now, but just check in here. Have I got like the difference of two squares? Just always check that, because that's a square, isn't it? So you might be thinking, okay, there's a square there, there's a difference there. But of course, this isn't square, isn't it? 5 is not a square number. So that's it, we're done. When it comes to this, expand and simplify, I mean, I tend to use FOIL, right? So we do the firsts, multiply out the firsts in each bracket. So 2x times x is 2x squared. Then I'll do the outers. Okay, 2x times 4 is 8x. So I've times 2x now by everything in this bracket. Now it's times the minus 3 by everything. So the inners, minus 3 times x is minus 3x. And then the lasts, each bracket, minus 3 times 4 is minus 12. Simplify, 2x squared, 8x and 3x becomes 5x. Okay, 8x take away 3x is 5x. And we're done. Part C, factorise this here. Now you notice here it's a quadratic, right? You've got 3 terms, x squared, an x term and a number. So we need to sort of think about the multiply and add thing, right? Because what we're going to have here is, in a way, it's the reverse of this, isn't it? Here you expanded double bracket to get a quadratic. No quadratic, you need to go back to double brackets. Now there's an x squared there, so we write x in both brackets. We need 2 numbers here that multiply to give this here, which is minus 28, and add up to give this here minus 3. So let's think of 2 numbers that multiply to give, well, just 28 to start with. Don't worry about the minus, 28. Well, 7 times 4, I'm thinking. 7 times 4, and that multiplies to give 28, doesn't it? Can I get minus 3 from here? And you can't you? If you make that a minus 7, and then a 4 there, just keep that as a plus. Okay, minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3. And when I times them, indeed I get minus 28. So that'll be minus 7 plus 4, okay? And all it says is to factorize. It hasn't got it equal to 0 where we then have to solve, right, and put the brackets equal to 0. No, it just says factorize, so we're done.